Okay, so yeah, let's do a review. So this is to people who are not familiar with this course, the way we've been doing things. This is the little VM that I put together that just has the, and I just broke it.
Good job.
So this is
It has all these pony
run.
pictures on. Yeah.
Now my mouse is locked.
Have you ever used a computer before, Nelson? Just checking.
Well, once my VM decides to come back up, there we go. But now it's in the improper resolution. You really are being obnoxious. Autofit guest. Come on, autofit it. I've never seen a VM fail this hard before. Okay.
I see
It's a feature.
some of it.
Actually, if you want to pause the video, I'm going to go ahead and restart my VM.
All right. Okay, we're resumed.
Okay, so yes, this is my VM, and I'm going to be using an install of Visual C# 2010 Express for everything. So if you guys are using Visual C# 2000 or Visual Studio 2010 Professional or Ultimate or Premium or whatever those editions are called, then that will work just fine as well.
No, ReSharper's not going to work with Express.
Nope.